நான் மெசேஜ் போட்டுட்டேன். Yeah.
नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं वाचं ततो जयमुदीरयेत् जितं ते पुण्डरीकाक्ष नमस्ते विश्वभावन नमस्तेऽस्तु हृषीकेश महापुरुष पूर्वज सदक्षरं ब्रह्म य ईश्वरः पुमान् गुणोर्मि सृष्टिस्थितिकालसल्लयः प्रधानबुद्ध्यादिजगत्प्रपञ्चसूः सनोऽस्तु विष्णुर्मतिभूतिमुक्तिदः आम्, ततो मैत्रेय तन्मार्गवर्तिनो ये अभवन् जनाः नग्नास्ते तैर्यतस्त्यक्तं त्रयी संवरणं तथा ब्रह्मचारी गृहस्थश्च वानप्रस्थस्ततः श्रमी परिव्राड्वा चतुर्थो अत्र पञ्चमो नोपपद्यते यस्तु सन्त्यज्य गार्हस्थ्यं वानप्रस्थो न जायते परिव्राट्चापि मैत्रेय स नग्नः पापकृन्नरः नित्यानां कर्मणां विप्र तस्य हानिरहर्निशम् आकुर्वन् विहितं कर्म शक्तः पतति तद्दिने. So in the beginning of this 18th chapter, he was talking about the lakshanam of a nagna, which is a Veda, someone who does not follow the rituals that are prescribed in the Vedas. And he is called a nagna. So there are different types of. He spoke about the episode of how Maya Moha came from Bhagavan Vishnu, and it tried to it led the asuras away into the non-Vedic path, by which the devas were able to conquer over the asuras, right? So tanmargavartinaha eva, those who were all following those asuras, and due to the propagation there were so many other people also who were following the paths which were Veda Viruddha, contradictory to the Vedas. They were called Nagnaha. Yataha, the concept of Nagna or naked doesn't mean that they did not have clothes or anything, but it means that they did not have the covering or the kavacham of Trayi, which are the Vedas. Then he moves on to what is the issue with not performing your Nitya Karmas. So Nityanam Karmanam Aharnisham Hanihi Tasya Akurvan Vihitam Karma Shaktaf Patati Taddine Eva. If a person does not do Shaktaha, if he is capable of doing his Nitya Karma and he does not do it, then taddine eva, on that day itself he loses all of the phalan, all of the fruit that he has acquired by doing this Nitya Karma till now. So Nitya Karmanam Aharnisham Nitya Karmanam Hanihi Bhavati. So all of that which he has accumulated will be completely lost on that day itself, the day he does not do, even though it is possible for him to do. And then he moves on to what happens if he does not do it for a paksham and then a samvatsara, etc. So prayaschittena mahata shuddhim apnoti anapadi paksham nityakriya hanehe karta maitreya manavaha. He maitreya, manavaha nityakriya hanehe anapadi nityakriya hanehe karta yadi bhavati paksham karta yadi bhavati tarhi शुद्धिं महता प्रायश्चित्तेन एव शुद्धिम् आप्नोति. The अन्वया is a little convoluted here, so we have to go back and forth. So हे मैत्रेय, मानवः यदि पक्षं नित्यक्रियाहानेः कर्ता भवति अनापदि. Anapadi, take that in the beginning itself. So anapadi, when there is no apatkala. If there is an apatkala in the sense of calamities or famine, or there is a war, issues like that come about, or earthquake, there can be different kinds of calamities that could happen to this world. In during those times there are different set of rules. You are not expected to follow all your nitya karma and karma anushtananga. So here anapadi is given as an adjective here for the situation. If there is no apatkala, then Nityakriya hanehe paksham nityakriya hanehe karta. Paksham here refers to kala advanor atyanta samyoge iti sutram vartate ashtadhyaya. So when you use dvitiya vibhakti, it means for the entire paksha. For one set of 15 days continuously, you do not do your nitya karma at all. Then nityakriya hanehe karta yadi manavaha bhavati tarhi mahata prayaschittena eva shuddhim apnoti. He can become purified only after a great prayaschitta karma. He has to perform prayaschitta karma. So this is for paksham, not for 2 days he doesn't do and then 2 days he does. Tatha nasti atra. All he does is he loses his accumulated nitya karma phalan, and he completely loses that and he has to start from base zero. That's all. Whereas if you don't do for one paksham 15 days continuously, then you have to regain everything only by regain your என்ன சொல்றது eligibility only by doing prayashchitta karma. संवत्सरं क्रियाहानिः यस्य पुंसः अभिजायते तस्य अवलोकनात् सूर्यः निरीक्ष्यः साधुभिः सदा. यस्य पुंसः संवत्सरं यावत्, तत्रापि you take it as continuously. If he kriya hanihi, if there is a loss of nitya karma for a whole year continuously, abhijayate chet yasya pumsaha, for that person who does not perform for 1 year continuously, tasya avalokanat, when another person looks at such a person who has not done his nitya kriya, sadhubihi sada suryaha nirikshyah bhavati, then a sadhu has to look at the surya always for purification. A sadhu who performs continuously nitya karma, when he even looks at a person who does not perform the nitya karma, he has to look at the sun for his own purification. இதெல்லாம் this is இன்னைக்கு வந்து we don't know, that's a different matter. So we are talking about a time capsule madri, we are talking about a time frame which Parasara and Maitreya were living in. So sprishte snanam sachailasya shuddhehe hetuhu mahamate pumsaha bhavati tasya ukta na shuddhihi papakarmanah. Sprishte sati tasya avalokanat suryaha nirikshyah. When we look at such a person who does not perform the nitya karma, then that person has to look at the surya, the sun. Sprishte sati, when you touch such a person, these are all for a person who is an adhikari, who can perform, but at the same time he has not performed. That is what it means. Okay, so sprishte sati, when you touch such a person, sachailasya, along with your cloth, snanam eva shuddhehe hetuhu, he mahamate vidura, one has to immediately take a bath with the cloth that they are wearing. Shuddhehe hetuhu, for the sake of purification, sachailasya snanam kartavyam. Pumsaha sachailasya snanam bhavati. Or don't take that pumsa, just take the first sentence as separate. Snanam eva uktam. Okay, pumsaha papakarmanaha tasya pumsaha, atra tu evam anvayah. Papakarmanaha tasya pumsaha shuddhihi na ukta bhavati. Okay, for the person who has not done for 1 year, there is no amount of shuddhi written anywhere for such a person if he has not done. Okay, so you can start from scratch by doing complete upanayanam again and then starting on your nitya karma. That is possible. But then there is no shuddhi for it. You will have to go through your janma, different kinds of births based on this papam. So sprishte snanam sachailasya shuddher hetuhu mahamate pumso bhavati tasya ukta na shuddhihi papakarmanah. Deva rishi pitru bhutani yasya nishvasya veshmani prayanti anarchitani atra loke tasman na papakrit. Yasya veshmani, in whose house Deva rishi pitru bhutani, devas, rishis and ancestors, nishvasya prayanti anarchitani santaha santi, without, if they are not worshipped in somebody's house, and nishvasya perimuchu vidrathu, they sigh with a great heavy heart, and they go out of that house, prayanti, then tasmat papakrit loke na vidyate anyatra. There is no other greater sinner than such a person in whose home the gods, sages and ancestors are not worshipped and they go with a heavy heart. Sambhashana anuprashnadi saha asyam chaiva kurvataha jayate tulyata tasya tenaiva dvija vatsarat. He dvija Maitreya, tenaiva saha आस्यां कुर्वतः तेन तुल्यता जायते वत्सरात्. Within a year, a person who sits with such a papakrit, such a sinner, he also becomes equal to the other person. So sambhashana anuprashnadi. Sambhashanam is conversation, anuprashnam questioning him. Why are you doing this? What are you doing this? What is the purpose for doing this? Ityadi. And saha asya. Asya nama upaveshanam. So if you sit down with him on equal, maybe asanam, saha asya, chaiva kurvataha, for a person who does all these things with a papakrit, with a sinner, tasya yaha upavishati, yaha papakrita saha upavishati, tena papakritaiva tulyata jayate. For this person also, he also becomes a sinner just like the other sinner. If he sits with him or converses with him, even if he does his nitya karma daily, it doesn't matter. But if he engages in conversation and interactions with a person who does not do his nitya karma, then he also becomes a sinner. So vatsarat, within a year. Devadi nishwasa hatam shariram yasya veshmacha na tena sankaram kuryat griha asana parichadaihi. यस्य वेश्म शरीरं च देवादि निश्वास हतं भवति, whose house and body has been hit by the sighing of Deva, Rishi and Pitru. That is, the Devas, Rishis and ancestors, they take a heavy breathing, right? That is sighing, they with a heavy heart, right? With grief. So he has been hit by the grief of அதாவது தெய்வ குத்தம், ரிஷி குத்தம், பித்ரு குத்தங்கள் அதெல்லாம் சொல்கிறோம் இல்லையா, அதுதாங்க. ஸோ இஃப் தே ஹவ் பீன் அசால்ட்டட் பை தீஸ் பீப்புள் who have left the house with a heavy heart, not being satisfied by the karta, if tena sankaram na kuryat, one should not mix with such a person. Okay, whose house and whose body has been hit by, or which has been tormented by the grief of gods, sages and ancestors. Tastena griha asana parichadaihi sankaram na kuryat. One should never mix, அதாவது சங்கரம்னாலே உறவாடல்னு எடுத்துக்கிறது, have a relationship with respect to griha, house, asanam, seating, parichada, clothing or covering, anything. You should not mix these things with them. You should not have any sort of a relationship with such person with respect to house, seating, asanam or any sort of a cover, which is vastram, porva, girva, padukka. Idellamo you consider bedding, clothing, everything into the category of parichada. Atha bhunkte grihe tasya, if he goes and eats in such a person's house, atha bhunkte grihe tasya karoti asyam tatha asane shete chapi ekashayane saha sadhyaha tatsamaha bhavati. If he goes and eats in the house of such a person, asyam asane cha karoti, if he also goes and sits in the asanam of such a person, ekashayane shete, if he sleeps with that person on the same bed, then sadhyaha, immediately tatsamaha bhavet, he becomes equal to that person, the sinner. Devata pitru bhutani tatha anabhyarchya yaha atithin bhunkte saha patakam bhunkte nishkritihi tasya na ishyate. So yaha, the one who does not worship, anabhyarchya, does not worship devata pitru bhutani atithincha, one who does not worship guests nor devatas, the gods or the ancestors, bhunkte, and he eats without offering them food. If he eats, then he actually only eats his own sin. So patakam eva saha bhunkte tasya nishkritihi na ishyate. There is no recourse for it. So if he anabhyarchya, without worshipping devatas or ancestors or atithis, and if a person eats, then he ends up only eating patakam eva bhunkte, which means he only enjoys sins, he experiences papam, and tasya nishkritihi is recourse. There is no counteraction for this kind of a behavior. ब्राह्मणाद्यास्तु ये वर्णाः स्वधर्मात् अन्यतो मुखाः यान्ति ते नग्नसंज्ञां तु हीनकर्मसु अवस्थिताः. ब्राह्मणाद्याः ये वर्णाः, those people who belong to the varna of brahmana, kshatriya, etc. Swadharmat anyato mukhaha, if they move away, that is if they look towards something else, anyataha, if they look towards something else other than their own dharma, swadharmat anyato mukhaha chet, tarhi te hina karmasu avasthitaha, being established in doing work which is very lowly. Hina karmasu avasthitaha, being constantly involved in lowly kind of work, menial work. Nagna samnyam yanti, they get the name of nagna. Adane paathukom, we are looking at the definition of that, right? चतुर्णाम यत्र वर्णानां मैत्रेय अत्यंत संकरः तत्र आस्या साधुवृत्तीनाम उपघाताय जायते. हे मैत्रेय, सो यत्र वर्णानां चतुर्णामपि अत्यंत संकरः भवति, wherever in any situation, in any assembly, wherever you find that there is some kind of a mixture between the four varnas, then tatra साधु आस्या साधुवृत्तीनाम उपघाताय जायते. तत्र आस्या नाम sitting there or having a relationship there, having a vyavahara in such a situation where all four varnas have been mixed up, then it leads to upaghata, it leads to the destruction of good behavior. Sadhuvrittinam upaghataya jayate. अनभ्यर्च्य ऋषीन् देवान् पितॄन् भूत अतिथींस्तथा यो भुङ्क्ते तस्य सल्लापात् पतन्ति नरके नराः. So we spoke about the person who does not who eats without having worshipped or without having offered it to the gods or ancestors before. Now when another person talks with such a sinner, he goes to narakam. So yaha manushyah ऋषीन् देवान् पितॄन् भूत अतिथीन् अनभ्यर्च्य भुङ्क्ते, one who eats without having offered it first to the sages, ऋषीन्, देवान्, gods, pitrun, ancestors, bhuta atitin, bhutan atitin, either any kind of living being, and atitis, guests who arrive. Not if he doesn't do puja to them, and if he doesn't offer food to them first and he eats, then tasya sallapat, if we have a conversation with that person, tasya sallapat naraha narake patanti, those people who have a conversation with such people, they end up in narakam. Tasmad etan naraha nagnan trayi santyaga dushitan sarvada varjayat pragya alapa sparshanadishu. So alapa sparshanadishu pragnya, he pragnya maitreya, tasmat, because of these reasons, because association, அதாவது கிருதம் காரிதம் அனுமோதிதம், அந்த பஞ்சமதா பாத்தகத்துல when you're talking about surapanam, guru anganagamaha, அதெல்லாம் சொல்றச்சே it will list only 4 மகாபாதகம். பிரம்மஹத்யா சுராபானம், இன்னும் 2 இருக்கு. But the 5th one is
குரு தல்பகம்லாம் இல்லையா?
குரு தல்பகம். ஆமா, இதெல்லாம் சொல்லும்பொழுது there are only 4 listed in the entire Mahabhataka. And the 5th one is the person who associates with such people. So he also becomes a Mahabhataki. And tasmat, because of this reason, naraha yaha etan nagnan trayi santyagadushitan alapasparshanadishu sarvada varjayet. A person has to completely avoid always such people who are nagna, who are termed as nagnaha because they do not have the covering of Veda. Trayi santyaga dushitan, they are polluted because they have abandoned the Vedas. So sarvada varjayet, one should completely avoid them in matters of alapa, conversation, sparshana, touching, etc. So asyam, shayanam, he spoke about other things also before, right? Ekasane sthanam, griheshu sankaraha ityadi. So we have to avoid in all manner. श्रद्धावद्भिः कृतं यत्नात् देवान् पितृपितामहान् न प्रीणयति तच्छ्राद्धं यदि एभिः अवलोकितं. यदि एभिः अवलोकितं श्राद्धं, if a shraddha that has been performed with great devotion has been looked upon by such people who do not have any interest or who do not have a belief in the Vedas, यदि एभिः अवलोकितं तर्हि नग्नैः अवलोकितम् अथवा त्रयी सन्त्यागदूषितैः अवलोकितं चेत् तत् श्राद्धं श्रद्धावद्भिः यत्नात् देवान् पितृपितामहान् कृतमपि न प्रीणयति. That shraddham will not please the devas or the pitripitamahan ancestors, even if it has been done with people who have a great shraddha. அதுக்குன்னுட்டு பண்ணாமல் இருக்கக்கூடாது. At least we have to continue doing what we do. Karma has its own power to give the fruit that we need. That is there. But at the same time, it will also be mixed with other things because we don't clearly know whether we have performed it only properly 100% or not. So it is a mixture. Or Shraddha is important. Shruyate cha pura khyataha. Now we start one story of a king called Shatadhanu and his wife Shaivya. The rest almost till the end of the you will find this is the story that is being spoken about in the next 20-30 shlokas. So Shruyate pura khyataha raja Shatadhanuhu bhuvi patni cha shaivya tasya abhut ati dharma parayana. Pura Shatadhanu pura bhuvi in olden days, that is even before Parashara and Maitreya, he is talking about a story about a king. King Shatadhanu Khyataha, he was well known on this earth. His wife Patni, her name is Shaivya. Tasya Patni Abhut Ati Dharma Parayana, who was even more involved in performing dharma. Pativrata Mahabhaga Satya Shaucha Dayanvita Sarvalakshana Sampanna Vinayena Nayena Cha. Shaivya was a Pativrata. She was completely attached, devoted to her husband. Mahabhaga nama Maha Aishwarya Yukta iti. Satya Shaucha Daya Anvita. Satyam, truth, Daya, compassion, Shaucham, proper conduct. She was filled with this Anvita. She had all of these. Sarvalakshana Sampanna. She also had all of the Samudrika Lakshanas that you can see in a good person. Vinayena Nayena Cha Sarvalakshana Sampanna. You can take it to with that also. So Vinayena, with the she had humility, and Nayena, she was also very astute as far as polity and shastras go. So she was endowed with all kinds of exemplary qualities. Sarvalakshana Sampanna. Satu Raja Tayasardham Devadevam Janardhanam Aradhayamasa Vibhum Paramena Samadhina. So that king, along with Shaivya, Tayasardham, Paramena Samadhina, with a great involvement. Samadhi can mean meditative contemplation. He Aradhayamasa, he worshipped Janardhana, God Vishnu, Lord Vishnu, Devadevam, Vibhum, the omnipresent Deva. Homaihi Japaihi Tata Danaihi Upavasaihi Cha Bhaktitaha Pujabihi Cha Anudivasam Tanmana Na Anyamanasaha. Anyamanasaha. Na Anyamanasaha Bhutva Tanmanaha Eva Bhutva Saha Homaihi Japaihi Bhaktitaha Aradhayamasa. You connect this with this next shloka also. So he did an Aradhana, Vishnu Aradhanam, with the Homa, sacrifices, Japaihi, Danaihi, he gave charity, Upavasaihi, he also did a lot of fasting, Bhaktitaha, with a great devotion, he did puja. Pujabihi Anudivasam. Every day he would do Vishnu Aradhanam. Tanmanaha, his mind completely involved in Vishnu. Na Anyama Manasaha, his mind not going anywhere else. He was involved in doing all of these, doing Vishnu Aradhana through these tools. Homa Japadikam tu atra sadhanatvena upayujyate Aradhanaya. एकदा तु समं स्नातौ तौ तु भार्यापति जले भागीरथ्याः समुत्तीर्णौ कार्तिक्यां समुपोषितौ पाषण्डिनम् अपश्येताम् आयान्तं सम्मुखं द्विज हे द्विज एकदा तु once what happened was भार्यापति both the wife and the husband jale samam snato they took a bath together in the waters of bhagirathyaah jale samam snato they took a dip in there and then bhagirathyaah samuttirnau nama upari bahihi agatau iti. So they crossed, not exactly crossed, but you can take it as they, after taking a bath, they also came out and Kartikyam on a Kritika Nakshatra Yuktayam Divase iti. Yeah. Ama. So Kartikyam on Kartiki Purnima ityuktam. So Kartika Masattula Purnima. So that is called Kartiki. So Kartikyam, Kartika Masa Paurnami Divase, Samuposhitau, Sampurna Dinam Yavat Tatra Upavasam Kritva, Dhritva. So having not eaten the entire day, Samuposhitau, Ayantam Pashandinam Sammukham Apashyetam. They both saw a Pashandi, that is a Veda Viruddha Acharanam Yaha Karoti Tam Sammukham Ayantam Apashyetam. They both saw a person who does not follow the Vedas coming right in front of them. They saw him. Okay. So immediately what she did was she looked at the sun. Adanga aduthathu. चापाचार्यस्य तस्य असौ सखा राज्ञः महात्मनः अतः तद्गौरवात् तेन सखा भावम् अथ अकरोत्. See, the king was feeling a little bit of Dakshinya Gunam here. He said, okay, this person who is approaching, he may be a Pashandi, but Chapacharyasya tasya asau sakha. So Rajñah Mahatmanah Rajñah Chapacharyasya asau sakha. So this person, the Pashandi who was coming, is actually the sakha, friend of the guru, the archery guru of the king. The king's name is Shatadhanu. Yeah? So the king had a guru who taught him Dhanurvidya, Chapacharya, Chapaha nama bow, and Acharya, one who is a guru in wielding the bow. So the king's guru's friend was this Pashandi who was coming. Ataha Tadgauravat nama Chapacharyasya Gauravat. So he had a great intention towards his guru, and hence his sakha. Iti karanat tena sakha bhavam atha akarot. He also decided to have a friendship with the Pashandi. Natu sa vagyata devi tasya patni pativrata uposhita asmi iti ravim tasmin drishte dadarsha cha. Whereas this lady, the Devi, queen, Shaivya, sa Vagyata, she kept quiet. Vagyamanam, nama Vaksamyamanam. She controlled her speech, and Pativrata, yet she was devoted to her husband. But Uposhita asmi, I am fasting, hence I will not look at him. Iti tasmin drishte, the moment she saw the Pashandi, Ravim dadarsha. Tasmin ityukte Pashandini drishte sati. When she saw that Veda Viruddha person, she immediately looked at the sun. That is what we saw earlier, right? If you chance upon tasya lokanatha sadhubihi suryaha nirikshyaha iti uktam purvam. Just a few slokas before. Samagamya yathanyayam dampati tau yathavidhi Vishnoho pujatikam sarvam kritavantau dvijottama. He Dvijottama Maitreya, Yathanyayam, they came back, returned, Dampati, Jayacha, Patischa, Dampati. எனக்கு ரொம்ப வேடிக்கையாக இருக்கும். இவர் நீலகண்ட தீட்சிதர் in his நீலகண்ட விஜய சம்பு, the first shloka he says is வந்தே வாஞ்சிதலாபாய கர்மதிம் கிம் தன்ன கத்தியதே அப்படிம்பார். அது I want to pray to Ardhanari Swarupa Vanchita Labhaya, in order to get what I want, I'm going to say Vande iti vaktavyam atra. And then I have to use one karma padam, right? Whom do I pray? So it has to be a karma padam. Something. Shivam Vande, Vishnum Vande, Parvatim Vande, something of that sort should come. Karma kim tanna kathyate. I am unable to say the karma padam here because kim dampatim iti bruyam utaho dampati iti. Jaya cha patischa dampati iti dvivachana padam. Nitya dvivachana padam. It has to be only in dual format. But when I see Ardhanari, there is only one person standing there. So do I make it into Dampatihi? Then it is Vyakarana Viruddham. If I say Dampati, then I should have two people standing there. That is also not there. So இப்படின்னு ஒரு மங்கள ஸ்லோகம் அவர் எழுதினார். கிம் தம்பதிம் இதி ப்ரூயாம் உதாஹோ தம்பதி இதி. So தௌ தம்பதி, the two of them, Samagamya, Yathanyayam Griham Samagamya, they went back to their palace. Yatha Vidhi Vishnoho Pujadikam Sarvam Kritavanto, and according to the rules, they performed all the Vidhi that was due. Okay. Kalena Gachata Raja Mamara Asau Sapatnajit Anvaruroha Tam Devi Chitastham Bhupatim Patim. Gachata Kalena, as time went by, the king Shatadhanu Mamara, he died. The king who was Sapatnajit, he may have won over or conquered all of his enemies, yet he died. Or the conqueror of all of his enemies, he passed away. As time went by, his time was also over, so he Mamara அப்படின்னா he killed ன்னு அர்த்தம் இல்லை. மிரியதே இத்தியஸ்ய லிட்லகாரஹ. மிரியதே நாம one who dies. ராஜா மிரியதே. ஸோ ராஜா மமார. அன்வாருரோஹ தம் சிதாஸ்தம் பூபதிம் பதிம் தேவி. தேவி ஆல்சோ உடன்கட்டை ஏறுறது. She did sati. So she also climbed on to her husband who was on the chita, on the funeral pyre. So she decided to self-immolate and perform sati here. So satu tena apacharena shvajagne vasudhadhipaha uposhitena pashanda sallapo yatkritaha abhavat. Yatkritaha pashanda uposhitena tena yat पाषण्डसल्लापः कृतः अभवत् तस्मात् कारणात् तेन अपचारेण सः वसुधाधिपः श्वा जज्ञे. The king Vasudhadipah, the ruler of that earth, which was Shatadhanu, because of the fact that when he was under upavasa, uposhitena tena, when he was doing that upavasam, and by him pashanda sallapah kritaha iti karanat, because he had a conversation with this Pashanda, who was the friend of his guru, tena apacharena, by that problem, apacharamna fault, by the in consequence of the fault that was committed, he was born as a dog. Saha shva jagnye, janyate ityasya litlakaraha. Okay, so saha shva jagnye, he was born as a dog. Satu, whereas the Shaivya queen, Satu Jatismara Jagne Kashi Rajasuta Shubha Sarvavijnana Sampurna Sarvavijnana Sampurna Sarvalakshana Pujita. Whereas she was born as the daughter of Kashi, Kashi Rajasuta Jagne. Katham Shubha, being very virtuous, Sarvalakshana Pujita, she was worshipped because she was endowed with all virtues, all gunas, all good qualities. Sarva Vijnana Sampurna, she also had, she was filled with, accomplished in every kind of Vijnanam, sciences. And then she had a knowledge of the previous birth also, Jati Smara. Jati nama Janma Smaranam Tasyaha Asit iti. Purva Janmasya Janmanaha Smaranam Asit. So Sa Jati Smara Kashi Rajasuta Shubha Jagne. She was born as the daughter of Kashi Raja, and she had the memory of her earlier birth. she was also Shubha. She was also very auspicious and accomplished in all kinds of intelligence, knowledge. She was also worshipped by everybody because she was endowed with virtues, lakshanas. Okay. I will continue the story next class. Narayanam namaskritya naranjaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vacham tato jayamudirayeet.